Unlocking the mystery of chest area in English. Hello, dear friends and English language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to talk about a phrase that often pops up in conversation, physical descriptions, and even in the doctor's office: the chest area. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this phrase refers to, and how you can use it confidently in your own conversations. So, let's get started on our journey to master this piece of the English language. When we say chest area, we're referring to the front upper part of the body that lies under the neck and above the abdomen. This area encompasses the ribs, heart, lungs, and the major muscles like the pectorals. It's a term that's commonly used in healthcare, fitness, and fashion contexts. In healthcare, you might hear it during a medical examination or when discussing symptoms. In fitness, it might be used to describe exercises that target the pectoral muscles. And in fashion, it might relate to the fit of clothing in that particular part of the body. The phrase, chest area, can be used in various sentences. For instance, she mentioned that she felt pain in her chest area. The runner did stretches to relax his chest area before the race. The tailor took measurements of his chest area for the suit. Using chest area in a sentence is straightforward. Just remember, it refers specifically to the region of the body, so it should be used in contexts where you are discussing anything related to that part of the anatomy. Sometimes people confuse chest area with just the heart or lungs. However, it's important to understand that it refers to the entire region covering these organs and not just one specific part. Moreover, in certain types of exercises or medical conditions, it's not limited to the surface. It might also imply the inner parts of the chest cavity. While chest area is a clinical and anatomical term, be aware of cultural sensitivities when discussing this part of the body. In some cultures, discussing the chest area might be considered private, especially with members of the opposite sex. Always approach such topics with respect to privacy and cultural norms. That wraps up our discussion on the chest area. I hope this video has been informative and has cleared up any uncertainties about the phrase. Remember, understanding these specific terms can greatly improve your descriptive ability in English and help you communicate more effectively. Thank you for watching, and make sure to practice using chest area in a sentence to get comfortable with its usage. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.